What's going on YouTube? So it's been a while since I've done one of these vlogs or video blogs. I've been sick lately. I'm getting better though. Anyways, I wanted to talk about the latest gold raids, and we have the likes of Bill Murphy. He went on Capital Account a few days after he went on my program, and he said that it was completely manipulated. That's why the prices of gold and silver went down. Well, sure, there's manipulation, but I'm not sure if this latest raid was manipulation. Because, first of all, you have to remember, we're going to see higher taxes at the end of the year. They may lower the taxes, but it just seems that after the fiscal cliff is taken care of, all the rich people will probably pay a higher tax burden. So when taxes go up, what's the initial effect if you look at history? Well, number one, people are going to take their profits now and they're going to buy back at a lower price sometime in the following year. This is just human nature, especially for those who are affluent individuals. So if you look at a few of the items that many affluent individuals or investors own, they owned Apple stock, and you've seen a correction from the high price of around $705 to $520 as of Friday. And then if you want to look at the gold price actually has gone down from the 1730, 1740 range to around the 1650 to 1660 mark as of Friday. So if you're looking at that, number one, why do you see this huge price decrease? Some people may use the M word, manipulation. What I will say is that it has to deal with the fiscal cliff. This is just a short-term trading momentum, and as a result, the price of gold silver will go down. And I've done videos on this as well. And another thing to note is that back in the day, what used to happen with top name stocks like General Electric, when Jack Welch, a fine CEO, when he was in power, what happened when there was a recession, or we're on the cusp of a recession, or if taxes were going to go up, General Electric stock, it pretty much showed that we're going to go into a recession with all the affluent investors taking profits. And there were a few other stocks as well. And what I think is going on is the top name stocks or commodities that people hold, Apple, and then two, you have to look at gold. And both of them have been going down. And sure, some of you may say that, hey, Apple is going down because Steve Jobs is no longer the CEO, and you also have problems with all this leverage in the stock. If you looked at what happened with Rockdale Securities and how people put down 3% down and the rest was leverage, which was insane. It was something ridiculous like that. And if you have that much leverage, sure, then the stock price is going to be overbought. And in my opinion, you're going to probably see some more down selling in Apple, but I'm not sure about that right now. But that being said, it just seems that the fiscal cliff is coming, and that's why you're seeing these, number one, price declines in gold and silver. Just as we saw the price declines at the end of last year in gold, where it went as low as the 1530 mark, or 1540 mark, I don't remember exactly, but it bottomed out on the last day of the year, December 31st or December 30th of 2011. And if you want to look at what happens at the end of the year, people may take their profits at the end of the year. And some people may use the M word again with manipulation. Well, it could be. Well, what I do know is people may take profits at the end of the year, and that's what they're probably doing. Gold is probably their number one moneymaker, and then Apple for the beginning part of the year was a moneymaker. So that's what's probably going on, and all the guys screaming manipulation, I don't know if it's maybe happening this time around. It could be, but I think it has to deal more with taxes that will go up. What are your thoughts on that? Why do you think gold and silver are going down? Alright guys, thanks for listening. Hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll probably do some interviews this week, and I probably won't do as many interviews in January. I'm going to be really busy to deal with insane auditors who just make my life miserable. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.